All right, so today we're doing something a little bit different. This is my Honda CB1000R. We're gonna change the exhaust, putting the Racefit exhaust on. We'll give a sound comparison. This is the stock exhaust. Let's fire it up, see what it sounds like.
I don't wanna have you, baby. I just wanna have a play. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet and you make me crazy. Give me everything you got. I just wanna hit your spot. I wanna get low. Wanna get low.
So, can you stay there? Very light.
Kissing your feet and you make me crazy. Everything that you got to give, baby, show me the light. Kissing your feet and you make me crazy. Downstairs, kissing your feet and you make me crazy. Wanna get low, wanna get
That was a pretty easy installation. Not much of a muffler there, it pretty much just goes straight through. So let's see what it sounds like. It's pretty loud.